Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create curve text in Blender. Okay, so if you want to do it, we need to check if we are in the object mode, then we go to add and we go to text. Now I click tab from my keyboard and I type here the text that I want to use. For example, I type here curve. After that I go back to the left upper corner and I change mode to object mode. Then I go to add and select from the settings curve and choose here Bezier. Then we need to click on text and we need to go to data, object data properties. Now we need to open font bookmark and here we have transform settings. We need to open it and you will see here something like text on curve. Then I click on this icon and I select a curve. And if you want to edit it, we need to change mode to edit mode. And if you select a curve and press G, you will be able to modify this curve. Of course, everything depends on your preferences. Maybe I will do something like that, and like you see, it is really easy to modify, but of course everything depends on your preferences. Okay, so it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.